Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw something that a lot of you guys probably have as pets, and that is a betta fish. So to start off with our betta fish, we want to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a small circle for the eye. Then inside of it, I'm going to draw a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller circle, and then I'm going to color it in and just leave a little bit white. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves up for the mouth. And then I'm going to draw a little line that just kind of curves back for the top lip. And then another one that kind of curves down for the bottom lip. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of goes to the eye, and then it's going to start to go up like this. Then I'm just going to keep curving this line, and I'm going to curve it slowly down. Then starting right here, I'm going to curve this line, and I'm just going to bring it around up here, and that's going to form the gill. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, and then it's going to slowly come back up and go down again like this. Then I'm going to just kind of connect these with a little curved line like that. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to curve out and then just kind of come back. And then I'm going to put some little lines on it like this. Next, we want to draw the top fin on there. Now, their top fin is actually pretty far back. So, to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and then out like this, and then it's just going to come back to here. Then they have a little bit of like a small fin underneath, but it's really long. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of comes down at a curve, and then it's just going to come back like this. And then I'm going to draw a line right here that goes down, and then it's going to kind of come up and then back towards the body. Now with their tail, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up, and then I'm going to make it kind of like wavy, like this, and then I'm going to bring it back. Now we just want to add some lines. So starting here, I'm just going to draw some long lines to just kind of follow the shape of the fins. And you can just kind of keep them close together and then just kind of make them long and flow nicely. And then I'm just going to do the same thing out to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a betta fish. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.